Anyway, now try to remember what team you're on, because if you slap it to the wrong team, you just gave them the advantage, okay? So try to be aware of what team you're on. Anyway, once you slap the stick, the other team has 2 minutes to take it and slap it back to their side. If they manage to get it within that 2 minutes, the timer resets, and the other team has to slap it back within 2 minutes. Does everyone follow so far?
Yep.
If the game is going to be 10 minutes long in total, if we get down to the last 2 minutes of the game, whatever side the flag is showing wins. Lastly, we're going to use the rule no crossing 60. What that means is, if you start from that end of the field, the farthest you can go is this end of the road in the middle, okay? So you can push up to the first pieces of cover on this side and no further. If you start on that end of the field, same applies for vice versa for this end of the road over here. Does that make sense? Do I have any questions? Question.
We have 10 in our party. Would anybody here mind if we stuck as a team?
Ooh, that'd be a lot of people.
That's a lot of people.
You know what? I think.
Well, a lot of, like, 8 of them haven't played before.
Okay.
I think what you could, Chris, what you could do is you could throw them on a team.
We're all like skilled in.
And if you had all of 10, like if you put them all in one group right now, and showed everyone else that wasn't in a group, you could maybe put a couple more people on that team and then leave everybody else.
Yeah. All right.
Or, okay, I mean.
So you're all together? Yes, sir. All right.
And these are all the people that are not.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
But yeah, throw a couple of them.
You 2.
Let's go, Major River together, bro.
Oh, my twin.
Let's go.
The only one that's played is this one right here.
Yeah, so sorry about that.
No, it's fine.
Don't
pick the wrong team.
Again, we have a slapstick. It'll be 10 minutes total. Don't cross past the 60. And that's basically it. Y'all good?
Yes, sir.
All right, you guys will start by that barrel down there.
Major, we gotta do this.
Yeah. Okay, the only strategy for this is anyone here fast?
Hey, you guys!
I mean, he's the good one.
The red team. We have unlimited lives as well. We have unlimited lives, so.
Yeah. So we're gonna start back here. Me and him.
Oh, Chris! Thomas is here! Is he on our team or that team?
Yeah, we need more help.
He wants to be on this team. I'm on that team? Oh. What?
Kind of does it, but at the same time.
Yeah, I know. It's Thomas.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Alright, Thomas is on that other team. Thomas is gonna head right side, I already know it.
Oh shit, Thomas is here?
Yeah, he's on that team.
That's the rusher.
Hey, anyone that pushes up to that second barrier, you're gonna have some pretty heavy resistance from a guy hitting you from right there. So I'd be careful on that left side, because he loves to go in that spot and take people out over there.
Gotcha.
What I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and take him out in case someone wants to go on that side. Basically, all those other people. Wait. Okay, never mind. Only people we gotta worry about is Major and Thomas.
You want to hit it towards your color. So push it out. What color are we?
We're blue.
We're blue. Cover me, I'm
Blue team, are y'all ready?
Don't keep it open.
3, 2, 1, go! Red team, you have 2 minutes to get it back. Hey!
1,
Yours is the one that likes to full auto anyway, right? Keep it between, like halfway between safe and semi. Red team, you have 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Ah, nice one, dude. Damn.
Red team has the point.
Shit, all right, Thomas is on that right side.
You have 1 minute and 50 seconds. Take it back.
Screw it. Be careful. He's moving on your side, Dad. Oh, I'm out of ammo! To your left, to your left, to your left! God damn it. Fuck.
Lucy, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to take it back.
Dude, that was the best shot ever, bro. Right in the finger. A nice one, man.
Dude, there's like 3 or 4 guys on your team that have been full auto.
I know, I've been hearing it. The guy on this side was full autoing, I heard it. But hey, I mean, you can still take him out though. left?
Or left, sorry. Right, left, same thing.
Dude, there was a guy that, oh man. Major was out in the open and I was trying to hit him, but then I ran out of ammo.
Oh shit.
It was the most upsetting thing ever.
My safety's like switched on accident.
Yeah.
So annoying.
That stuff happens.
I sprinted just trying to get the thing.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go to the third concrete farthest left.
Okay, I'm gonna try and go up about to the 50.